Hi, this is Tim Nagley from ESW. I'm going to introduce you to Tim Elzenbroek and Tyler Huffner over here. They're going to demonstrate our AAT 6100 armature test system with a complete material handling line. We're excited about this new product we're offering. It can greatly improve production on the floor by taking operators out of the mix and increasing productivity at a lower cost.
Hi, my name is Tyler Huffner and I am with ESW. I will be showing you an armature tester that we have created on an automation line. I have parts in front of me that we have that is a 10 bar. We are capable of testing various sizes of armatures. For this video, we'll just be testing one. I'm going to place a known good armature on the pick and place station. As I trigger the proximity sensor, the gripper will descend, grip the part, and place it onto the conveyor belt, as such. As it places, the gripper will move into its original position, allowing for another part to be placed in its location. The next station the armature will reach is the armature aligner, which will push the armature in the correct location for testing. The armature now will go into high pot testing. Now the armature will go into resistance weld and surge testing, where the armature is raised up and is tested. And this will continue to repeat until all parts are completed. This station we have is the reject station. When a part fails a test, it will be placed into this tower. At the very top there is a sensor which will detect if the tower is full of parts. If it is, an alarm will sound and a light will blink, telling the operator to remove the parts in this tower. Demonstrating right here, a part was rejected and is lifted up into this tower. In our reject tower, we are full of reject parts, and you can see that there is a yellow light indicating that we're full. At the bottom here on the conveyor belt, we have another failed part, and it won't load this part due to the reject tower being full. In this scenario, the reject tower alarm will sound, signaling to the operator that he or she will need to empty the contents of the reject tower in order to continue testing. Also, we have an Allen Bradley PLC HMI that is used to interface with this workstation. When you are at a point where you have no more parts to be placed or to be tested, there's a feature on this HMI that you can select as Run Out, which will continue the rest of testing for the remaining parts, and it will enable you to go to another part if desired. So I will select Run Out, and the parts will continue down the line being tested. And at this location, at the very end, we have an armature that has been tested and it passed it's passing results. Now the conveyor won't run anymore thanks to a safety sensor at the end that detects a part there. It won't continue to move the conveyor belt. If I remove the conveyor belt, it will continue to test. On the Allen Bradley PLC HMI, we have displayed as the main screen, which shows all the features that you can start a conveyor run. Additionally, you are able to enter into the input screen input screen that shows the various inputs for this workstation. And additionally, you have these outputs. The important part is this outputs manual screen where you can enter in the manual features of raising, lowering cylinders and manually testing parts. Returning back to the main screen, we have a maintenance screen. If you need to change any features of this, you may also do that. When changing over and you have a different shaft size of armatures, you can use the conveyor belt adjuster, which can be lengthened and shortened to the desired length of your shaft. A great feature of this system is the quick changeover feature that will take less than a minute, which I'll demonstrate now.
As you can see from the demonstration from Tim and Tyler, this is our new AAT 6100 with material handling system. My contact information will be on the screen, our website and phone number. Please reach out to me at any time for a planned visit or to discuss your needs further.